Today, I've got a quick video for anyone who is using the GameHub Emulator on Android who chose to install the app from outside of the Google Play Store. You may be happy to learn that there's a way to manually check for new app updates. And we can do this by first tapping on the overflow menu icon in the top left, scrolling down, and then tapping on the settings option. And then if you look for the about menu and tap it, the top option tells you what version of the app that you're currently on. And you can actually tap on that to check and see if there is a new version available, allowing you to install that update from a dialog window, or you'll be told that the app is already up to date. If this is something new about GameHub that you are not aware of, please consider giving the video a like and then share it on your favorite social media platform, because that truly helps the channel to grow.